guys! So today is my last day here in this dorm, the International Dorm of Daegu University, because I'll be moving out tomorrow! So I'll be moving out to a studio apartment, sort of like a one room nearby the school, and I am so excited, but I first have to clear everything here. So I'm gonna get started. So this is all the bangtan things that I have because I'm helping my sister and her friends order first, and there's so much over the past 4 months, and these are all going to the new house. It is done! Thanks to Adele, whom I won't show because she's too shy. 짜장면. All my belongings are over here, and I have to unpack everything. This is how the table is gonna be here, the bed is gonna be here, everything's a mess. So I'm going to have a housewarming party with my friends tomorrow, so I will be preparing some food for them, and now I'll be just preparing the scallion pancakes in advance and also the Mille Crepe Cake. So let's get started. So I'll first be preparing the dough for the scallion pancakes. You'll need some flour, sugar, and salt. Then you stir it all up. I'm using a wooden chopsticks because Asian. Next, you add water little by little until it forms a dough. Knead the dough until it forms a smooth surface. You really need to get some elbow grease in there. When you have a smooth surface, put it into a bowl, cover it with a tea towel, and let it rest. Next, I'm going to prepare the scallions. Give it a quick wash. Then chop it up finely. So next I'm going to prepare the roux. You need oil and flour. Heat it up, mix it well until you form a thick mixture. And then you just need to set it aside to let it cool. Next I'm going to knead the dough, make sure it's smooth, and then divide it into equal pieces. I'm using a milling scale to ensure that every dough is the same size. So on a well-floured surface, you want to roll your dough out until it's around 1 centimeter in thickness. Then you're gonna spread your roux all around the dough. Make sure to leave a bit on the edge. Then sprinkle your scallions all over the pancake. I like to sprinkle mine with sugar as well, so that it has a bit of sugary sweetness. Then you're gonna roll the scallion pancakes up and roll it on itself again so it becomes a pinwheel. Next, you're going to use your thumb to actually squeeze the dough and bring the dough towards each other. And now I'm using the rolling pin to squish the dough flat. So here's all the scallion pancakes I prepped in advance. Alright, now so let's get started on the crepes. You need flour, salt, and sugar. Mix up the dry ingredients well. This time I'm using a whisk. Then you're gonna add your eggs one by one. And milk. A lot of milk. Then you're gonna stir everything up until it is a smooth mixture. Right now I'm actually cutting up some butter so that I can melt it and add it into the mixture. Then you're gonna strain the mixture to ensure that your crepe batter is smooth without any lumps. So right now we're gonna prepare the crepes. In a well-oiled pan, you're gonna put your crepe batter. Make sure it's thin and not too thick. And then you swirl the pan around to ensure that the entire pan gets coated. So after the crepe is cooked, you're gonna flip it and let it cook on the other side as well. So now you have to repeat this process until you get a stack of crepes. I actually didn't manage to film the part where I cook my scallion pancakes, so this video was from another time. But basically you're just gonna cook the scallion pancakes in oil until it's crispy. Then it's done. So right now I'm hand whipping some cream so that I can fill the Mille Crepe Cake. I actually didn't manage to film a video of all my finished products, so I just had to use these pictures. Also, this Mille Crepe is the finished product, but I'm honestly not very happy with it. Currently cutting up watermelon for us to eat. Then we have pizza, we have a lot of drinks, sweet drinks, and we managed to finish everything. So it was a super fun night where we all just gathered, listened to music, talked, and played a lot of games together, just to make sure that this house feels very happy from the first day I move in. So I really enjoyed my friends' presence a lot, and I'm so thankful for all of them who helped me move from the dormitory to this new place. So actually I filmed this video ages ago, and I'm actually currently going to move out of Daegu soon to Seoul. So this video is very late, but I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.